First question is, what is the principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2? So first we will take y as cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Then cos y will be minus 1 by 2. Now you can replace this 1 by 2 as, which angle of cos will give you 1 by 2? So it is pi by 3. It is pi by 3? Yes, okay, 60. So cos y is equal to, now you can just, since this is minus cos of, we can write it as, if we have to compare, we have to get cos of something, right? Since it is cos y, we have to get the value of y, means we have to write it as cos of something. And since you are getting minus cos pi by 3, you should go to the second quadrant with this angle. So it will be pi minus pi by 3. In the second quadrant, this angle can be written as pi minus pi by 3, so that you will get minus cos pi by 3, so that this is giving you 2 pi by 3. So cos y is equal to cos 2 pi by 3, which will give you y is equal to 2 by 3. Before that, you have to check, since it is principal value, is it belonging to the principal value branch? What is the principal value branch of cos? 0, pi, closed interval. Now since this belongs to 0, pi, 2 pi by 3 belongs to, is in between 0 and pi, you can say that cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is 2 pi by 3. Okay. Of x, which is defined as x square minus 1 by x minus 1 when x is not equal to 1, and k when x is equal to 1, is given to be continuous at x equal to 1. You have to find out the value of k. So for that, since f is given to be continuous at k equal to 1, you will have LH L equal to RH L equal to at the point. Now here, since x is not equal to 1, the left hand limit as well as the right hand limit will be the same. This function you have been given. So you can just use one thing. Anyway, these three should be equal since it is continuous. Okay. So you will have LHL is equal to limit x tends to 1. X square minus 1 by x minus 1. Since it is not equal to 1, left hand limit is also this, right hand limit is also this. This can be written as limit x tends to 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, which will give you limit x tends to x plus 1, and now replace x with 1. So you will get 1 plus 1, which is 2. And again, LHL should be equal to at the point. What do you mean by f of 1? When x is equal to 1, the value is k. So this will give you k. Okay, this is given. So you will get k is equal to 2. Okay. What is the equation of the normal to the curve y equal to tan x at 0, 0? That is at the point 0, 0. Y is equal to tan x. Differentiating, you will get dy by dx is equal to sec square x. So this is your slope of tangent. Now what will be slope of normal? Here again you can use at the point. Okay, here itself you can find out what is that. So it will give you sec square 0. Replace x with 0 and y with 0. So here you have only x, so sec square 0. Sec 0 is 1, so we will get the derivative or slope of tangent at the point 0, 0 as 1. Now slope of the normal at 0, 0 will be negative reciprocal of slope of tangent, so we will get minus 1 as the slope of the normal. Now equation of normal at 0, 0 will be y minus y naught is equal to the slope of the normal into x minus x naught. This is your x naught, y naught. So you will get y minus 0 is equal to, this is negative, this total is your slope of normal. Okay, this one is your slope of normal. So you will get minus 1 into x minus x naught is 0. So you are getting y is equal to minus x, or y plus x equal to 0, or x plus y equal to 0 is the equation of normal. The question, what are the values of a for which the function f of x equal to sin x minus ax plus b increases on r? Increases means what? The function is an increasing function, means f dashed of x should be greater than 0. That is, first derivative should be greater than 0. Using that concept, we will find out what is the value of a. First, we are writing what is f of x, which is sin x minus ax plus b. Now we will find out what is its derivative. So sin x will give you derivative as cos x minus derivative of minus ax. Minus a is a constant, x derivative is 1 and derivative of b is 0. So you will get only minus a. Okay, so this is your f dashed of a. Now since the function is, or you can say f is increasing when f dashed of x is increasing on r, which is given, when you will have f dashed of x is greater than 0. So that this is your f dashed of x. So you will get cos x minus a is greater than 0, or cos x is greater than a, same as a is less than cos x. Okay, this is what you are getting the condition as. Now you have to find out where or what will be the value of a for which this will happen. So for that we will use the concept which we know. We know that cos x is lying between -1 and 1, right? Now since this is the condition for cos, and since a is less than cos, it should be less than -1, because the minimum value of cos is -1, cos x is -1. So a is less than cos x means it should be less than, this implies that a should be less than -1 also, then only it will have that condition, right? Since cos minimum value is -1 and a is less than cos, you should have a as less than -1. Now what is the meaning of a is less than -1? As in R, when you say, you can write it as a belongs to the interval -∞ -1 open. So this will be the value of a. Okay, for these values, for any value which you choose in between this or less than -1, you will have the function to be increasing on R. Is you have a bridge whose length of 3 sides of a trapezium other than the base is equal to 10. So base, here this portion is 10, this one is given to be x. So what will be the length of the base AB? It will be 10 plus 2x, 10 plus x, which is 2x. Okay, AB will be of length 10 plus 2x. Now based on this, they have asked the question subdivision as, what is the value of dP? dP is this one, and here this is 90 degree. You can use Pythagoras theorem and find out what is dP. This is x, this is 10. So what will be this? It will be root of 10 square minus x square, root of 100 minus x square. So this is the answer. Okay. So in order to get the area of the trapezium, it is half into h into a plus b for the trapezium. Now what is h? You have already found out in the first subdivision, which was what you got, h as root of 100 minus x square. Yes, half into, instead of h you will get root of 100 minus x square into, already we have discussed what will be a plus b. Here this is 10 plus 2x, here you have 10. Yes, it is option B. 10 plus 2x will give you half into root of 100 minus x square into 20 plus 2x. You can take out 2 from this, so this will become half and that get cancel, and you will get 100 minus x square into what you will have here, 10 plus x or x plus 10. So x plus 10 into root of 100 minus x square is the area of the trapezium. So the question is, if a dash of x is 0, what is the value of x? So first we will find out what is a dash of x and then equate it to 0. A of x is x plus 10 into root of 100 minus x square. So a dash of x will be, you can use product rule, x plus 10 into root of, derivative of root of will give you 1 by 2 root of 100 minus x square into derivative of 100 minus x square, which is minus 2x. These two get cancelled, plus root of 100 minus x square into derivative of x plus 10 will give you 1. So this much you have your a dash of x as. Now you can take the LCM so that this will give you, here you have a negative sign, negative x into x plus 10 plus root will go here. After taking the LCM, this will become 100 minus x square, right? So this is giving you minus x square minus 10x plus 100 minus x square. These two will give you minus 2x square divided by, you have, okay, root of 100 minus x square. Minus 2x square minus 10x plus 100 divided by root of 100 minus x square. Now again, since you are equating it to 0, you can just take the negative 2 in common from this. A dash of x is equal to 0 will give you minus 2 into x square plus 10x, sorry, this will become 5, and here you will have minus, right, negative 50. So here divided by, okay, anyway it will be equated to 0, the denominator will go, will give you how much? X square minus 5, sorry, plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0 will give you x. How can you split and write this as x plus 10 into x minus 5, correct? So this will give you negative sign, here it is positive. So what are you getting the values of x as? Therefore x can be minus 10 and 5. Which option? Option A. Okay. You have to find out what is a double dash of 5 means. A double dash of x will be, using the quotient rule, negative of, again, denominator into derivative of numerator. What is the derivative of numerator? You will get 2 into 2, 4x plus 10, right? Derivative of x is 1. So 4x plus 10 minus 2x square plus 10x minus 100 into derivative of denominator, which will give you 1 by 2 root of 100 minus x square into minus 2x, that is the derivative of 100 minus 2x, sorry, 100 minus x square whole divided by root of 100 minus x square, the whole square. So now it doesn't have any root here. Okay, now negative of, again, with this I am taking LCM, this one, this denominator part, so that 2 is getting cancelled and this will come here, so that its root is gone in the numerator. 4x minus plus 10 minus, this is minus, again here a minus sign, so you will have positive 2x square and an x here, right? So it is 2x cube plus 10x square minus 100x divided by, remember you have this as an LCM, that means this will come here. So it is 100 minus x square into 100 root of 100 minus x square, or the whole raised to 3 by 2 you can write. I am just looking for if I have anything like to cancel, then this raised to 3 by 2 can be changed. Okay, right now I am writing it as 3 by 2. It is understood now. Power 1 and power 1 by 2 together is giving you power 3 by 2. Now this again we are multiplying. This will give you 400x minus 4x cube plus 1000 minus 10x square plus 2x cube plus 10x square minus 100x. After calculation you will get the numerator as negative of negative 2x cube plus 300x plus 1000 divided by 100 minus x square the whole raised to 3 by 2. And you need a double dash of 5. You can replace here itself if you want. Okay, what you will get? A double dash of 5 as is negative of, negative here this is 5 cube into 2, 5 into 5, 25, 125 into 2. Okay, so you will have 250 minus 250 plus again 300 into 5, replacing with x with 5, Here what you will get, 300 into 5, 1500 plus 1000 divided by 100 minus x square is 25. So you will have 75 raised to 3 by 2. Or you can split and write it as 75 into root 75 also. Okay. Now, what value you will get here in the numerator is negative 2250 you are getting. Just check. Divided by 75 into root 75. Now why I am writing like this is in order to cancel and making it as shortened. I have not given you the options. When you see the option, no, that will be more easy to say that how you have to write it. Okay, I will give you the options now. First option for this question is 30 by root 25 minus, okay, negative 30 by root 50, C, negative 30 by root 75, and D, negative 30 by root 80. So which option you are getting as the answer? When you are cancelling this, you are getting minus 30 by root 75. Okay, so the option C is the answer. 5 is less than 0. 5 is a point of maxima. That means this point for the function maximum area will be found out when you replace the function area function with 5, x with 5 here. So it will be 5 plus 10 into root of 100 minus 5 square. What you are getting? 15 into root of, this is giving you 75. Now just adjust because you need the answers in this type. So root 75 can be written as root of 5 cube, okay, or 25 into 5. So that this will give you 5 outside, 15 into 5 into root 5. Yes, you will get 75, sorry, this is 25 into 3, right? Correct? So this is 75 root 3 centimeter squares. Okay. So as your answer is, you just replace, otherwise you will be just finding out which is the answer. Question is, check if the given relation R on the set A equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 defined by R is equal to set of all those pairs XY such that Y is divisible by X. Y is divisible by X is symmetric. Second one, transitive. So for symmetricity, what is the condition? If it is symmetric, if you are taking XY belongs to R, you should get YX belongs to R, right? So when we will start with let XY belongs to R. Now if you are disproving anything, that means you are saying that it is not correct, for that example is also enough, I have already told you. And in order to prove, example is not enough. Okay, so let XY belongs to R means what? We are taking an element and we have to just see whether it's opposite, that is YX belongs to R or not. That is the symmetricity, right? So XY belongs to R means what? It will be having this condition. That means Y is divisible by X. Now Y is divisible by X all time doesn't mean that X is also divisible by Y, right? This does not, Y is divisible by X does not imply that X is also divisible by Y, because in order to get YX belongs to R, we should get X is divisible by Y. Now why we say like this? You can just give an example, any example, take a pair. Suppose I am taking 1, 2 belongs to R. 1, 2 will be in R. How will you decide whether 1, 2 belongs to R? 1, 2, if 1, 2 belongs to R, you should get 2 is divisible by 1, right? 1, 2 belongs to R means 2 is divisible by 1. You can take any example, okay, 2 is divisible by 1. But does this imply, this does not imply that 1 is divisible by 2, right? 1 is divisible by 2, no. That means you are not getting, that does not imply, or you can say this implies that 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Since I have written does not imply, I am writing like this, or this implies that this does not belongs to R. 1 is divisible by 2 if you are getting, then you can say that 2 1 belongs to R. So here you are getting one example, at least one example if you are able to give in order to disprove the statement. You can say that R is not symmetric. Okay, so symmetricity is not satisfied by this relation. For the transitivity condition, what we need to get is, we are taking two pairs that like this, let x comma y belongs to R, and the other pair should start with this element, and y comma z belongs to R. You have to get that x comma z belongs to R. That means these two are related, we need to show. So for that, first we will start with xy belongs to R. Xy belongs to R implies, what is the definition? Xy belongs to R means y is divisible by x, right? And yz belongs to R implies z is divisible by y. Now just see, z is divisible by y and y is divisible by x. So can you say that z is divisible by x? These two statements together will give you z is divisible by x. And what does that mean? That means xz belongs to R. So you are getting xy belongs to R, yz belongs to R implies xz belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. So it is not satisfying symmetricity, but it is satisfying transitivity. You can just check for just for an example, but you should not show that since this example is showing this concept, it is transitive. You cannot say like that. Okay, for your sake, I am just giving you an example. 1 2 belongs to R means 2 is divisible by 1. And if I am taking another pair, 2 4 belongs to R, I will get 4 is divisible by 2. So from these two concepts, I can say that 4 is divisible by 2 and 2 is divisible by 1. That means 4 is divisible by 1 also, right? Is divisible by 1. That means 1 comma 4 belongs to R. This is only an example, but you cannot prove anything using example. For that, you have to give statement like this only. Okay? Don't give an example and say that this is true. You have to give an example when you are saying that it is not true. Understood? A is equal to a 2 by 2 matrix, 3 1 minus 1 2, and I is 1 0 0 1. Find k so that a square is equal to 5a plus ki. So first find out what is a square. 3 1 minus 1 2 into 3 1 minus 1 2. How to multiply? Like this and this. So 3 into 3 9 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 1. This into this will give you 3 plus 2 in the 1 2th position here. This into this. So you have to just see this is second row and first column. So it will be here, second row and first columns. Okay. So minus 3, minus 2, and the last term will be minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay. And this is giving you 8, 5, minus 5, 3. This is your a square. Now we can use the equation. All the values we know, that's why. So given as a square is equal to 5a plus ki. Replacing the values, you will get 8, 5, minus 5, 3 is equal to 5 into what is a? 3, 1, minus 1, 2 plus k into I is 1, 0, 0, 1. This will give you 15, 5, minus 5, 10. We are multiplying 5 with each term. Here it is k, 0, 0, k. And this is 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Now adding these two means you have to add term wise. Corresponding elements you can add. So you will get 15 plus k as the first term. Second term is 5 plus 0, which is 5. Next term minus 5 is equal to 10 plus k. Correct. you will get k is equal to 7. Now these two are equal means you can compare. 8 can be equated to 15 plus k, or else you can use 3 is equal to 10 plus k. That will give you the value of k. Okay, 8 is equal to 15 plus k will give you k is equal to negative 7. Okay, so the answer is negative 7. X the whole raised to x plus x raised to log x, find dy by dx. So this type of problem, how you need to do? Take, if you have a power function, power is also a function, so you have to choose take it as u of x the whole raised to v of x. So you can use this as one term, suppose this is u and this as v. So your question becomes y is equal to u plus v, and you have to get dy by dx means you need to get differentiating both the things, both the sides. You will get du by dx plus dv by dx. So this is what here you have to replace the value of du by dx and dv by dx. Now what is u here? U you have taken as log x the whole raised to x, first term, and v is equal to x raised to log x. Okay, so first we will find out what is du by dx. Log x the whole raised to x, taking log on both sides. Whenever you have power in the function, no, you just take log on both sides and then differentiate. Okay, so this will give you log u is equal to x log of log x, right? Now you can differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiating, this will become 1 by u into du by dx. Derivative of log u, 1 by u into, since it is with respect to x we are doing, you will get du by dx. Okay, differentiating with respect to x is equal to, again this is one term, this is another term. Use your product rule, you will get x into derivative of log x. Derivative of log of anything is 1 by that. What is that? This is log x here. Term is log x. That means again you have to use the chain rule and write the derivative of log x, which is 1 by x. Okay, so this finishes the derivative of log x plus log of log x into derivative of x, which is 1. So here you are getting 1 by log x, x get cancelled, 1 by log x plus log of log x. This is 1 by u into du by dx. We need du by dx, which will be u into 1 by log x plus log of log x. Replace u, log x the whole raised to x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. This is your du by dx. Now find out what is dv by dx. V is x in x raised to log x. So taking log, you will get log v is equal to log x into log x. Either you can make it as log x the whole square, or you can use the product rule. Okay, while differentiating with respect to x, you will get 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to log x into 1 by x, the derivative of log x, plus log x into 1 by x, or it is 2 log x by x. Either you can use like this, or you can just make it like this and use the x square's derivative. 2 into log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Then also you will get this answer. Okay. Now you need dv by dx, which is v into 2v log x. Replace v, you will get 2x raised to log x into log x divided by x. Since both are base with x, you can just combine these two and write 2 log x into this can be combined and written as x raised to log x minus 1. Okay, so that is your dv by dx. So what will be your dy by dx? You have to add both the functions. Therefore dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Here we are replacing. Put it equation number 1. Equation 1 will give you dy by dx, that is log x the whole raised to x into 1 by log x plus log of log x plus 2 log x into x raised to log x minus 1. This will be your dy by dx. Okay. Shall we stop here? Thank you.